Okay, machine is on and running. If you hit the forward switch, you get forward. Reverse switch, you get reverse. You emergency reverse, it reverses till it hits the limit switch. Get that back off the limit switch. You hit the angle plate, it'll reverse until it hits the limit switch. Run that forward. Now you hit the reverse or the angle switch and you hit the green, it'll stop it, but we don't get any automatic forward out of the thing, and that's what I'm trying to troubleshoot. All right, this is inside the control panel on this little guy. The automatic button is the one there with the 3 red connectors, and checking polarity, or not, continuity on that. And yeah, center is common, and both sides operate like they should, so I know the switch is good. I'm just still chasing that no automatic feed.